It's Cody here at Gog's Camperway in Mankato, Minnesota. Today we are going to show you a 2021 Jayco White Hawk 26RK. This is a rear kitchen setup. It is a fiberglass exterior, and as we walk around I'll show you a few more key features of the Jayco brand. So let's get started. We'll start up here in the front. You'll notice you've got two 30-pound propane tanks. You have a electric tongue jack, not to mention a beautiful big front window for the front bedroom there. You've got the new Furrion side mount cameras. It's prepped for that. If that's something you were looking at wanting, it is ready for it. You've got your 30 amp power supply cable, a 12 volt cutoff switch. You have lighting here in the pass-through storage as well. Next to that, we've got a black tank flush here. This trailer weighs 6,795 pounds empty and also has a 7,750 pound gross vehicle weight rating. You will have city water connection hookup here, and then you have an outside shower. Your sewer, your gray tank and black tank, big slide out, frameless windows. These are also prepped for slide toppers. You got your 30 amp power supply here, your cable TV input, J-Smart lighting system. You've got your vent range hood exhaust and your backup camera prep, a roof ladder, a 6-gallon gas electric water heater, spare tire and spare tire cover. You also have the MoRide step above, expandable grab handle, a 20-foot power awning, and that also has the white LED strip underneath for evening or nighttime lounging. Two exterior speakers, and then what I really like about this model is you have an outside kitchen. Magnetic baggage door holders. So in the outside kitchen here you've got a mini refrigerator. You have a gas cooktop, a sink. It's more of like a holding sink. Take this out and you can drain that. Prep station. Overall, really nice feature of this trailer. You got your freshwater fill as well. Goodyear tires, Dexter axles, Jayco's 2+3 year warranty. Then you also have a spot here as well for like outside TV. You've got outside power outlets and then a cable TV satellite output. Front bedroom door here. Your standard flip up steps. And then another baggage door here for your pass-through storage. You have an outside table, light, outlet. Take a step inside and we'll show you the inside of it. So as you walk in, to your top left here you'll have your J command controls, all your lighting controls. You've got a cutting board, dishes dryer, 2-place sink, a high-rise faucet with the retractable power outlets. You've got a GFI outlet, storage under the sink, flip up countertop, and 3 storage drawers. You have the glass top stove cover, which seconds is like a splash guard if you're cooking. Keep all that grease off your back wall. Oven. Range hood with light and fan. Microwave. Some more overhead storage. You'll have a 10 cubic foot 12 volt refrigerator. A booth dinette, storage under the dinette from the bottom side and the top side. Real simple setup to make this a bed. Pull the legs out, drop the tabletop down, and then you just move the cushions and you got another sleeping spot there. Then you also have a couch. And this is going to be a tri-fold couch, so this will make another complete bed. Another thing that Jayco's done is they've went full carpetless. So no more having to carry a vacuum for a little bit of carpet anymore. You also have a mirror here in the living area. Your entertainment center. You have an electric furnace. You have an all-in-one DVD player, AM/FM, CD player, Bluetooth radio. You'll have 2 inside speakers here as well. You got one here and one here. A living area skylight with a dark out shade. All LED lights on the inside. And then you also have a max air fan here in the main living area as well. A 13,500 BTU ducted AC system. And then you have the in-floor furnace system. Walk-through bathroom. Medicine cabinet. Sink. Some more storage here in the bathroom. Your toilet. Even more storage. Nice towel closet. And then even more storage. And you have a really nice stand-up shower. Glass sliding doors. Skylight. As I said, it's a pass-through bathroom to the bedroom. So here you'll notice that front window that we've seen on the outside. There's a blind that will also cover that if that does bother you at night. You have the 190 watt solar panel mounted to the roof, so you have your 30 amp solar charge controller. Closed closet. You have a few more drawers back here. You also have closed closets on each side of the bed here as well.